Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Notion for business. This is your full 2025 guide. First, let's create a workspace. Open your Notion app, click on the Workspaces tab, and then create a new workspace. Name it after your business. This way, all your business-related tasks, notes, and files will be in one place, making it easier to stay organized. Next up, let's create some pages. Click the plus icon on the left side panel, choose Page, and name it according to your needs, like projects, meetings, or marketing. Pages are the foundation of Notion. They help us to categorize and manage our work more efficiently. Now that we've done that, let's make use of Notion's templates. Click on your page, select Templates on the right, and choose a template that suits your needs. Templates save us time by giving us pre-made formats and structures. For example, use the Meeting Notes template to keep track of your business meetings. The reason we do this is because Notion is all about customization. You can add blocks such as text, to-do lists, calendars, images, and more by clicking the plus button on your page. This helps us because it allows us to tailor our workspace to our specific business needs. Finally, let's invite your team. Go to Settings and Members, click Invite, and add your team members' email addresses. Then set their permissions. With this, you can collaborate and share content with your team in real time. In conclusion, Notion is a fantastic tool to organize, manage, and collaborate for your business. Start by creating a workspace, then build your pages, use templates, customize your blocks, and invite your team. Explore its features and make it work for you. And that's it. You're now ready to use Notion for your business. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.